Welcome to Kitchen Alchemy. Today we will talk about vitamin B1. The discovery of vitamin B1 is closely tied to the disease beriberi, a condition common in Eastern countries. The name beriberi translates to I cannot, reflecting the debilitating symptoms such as mental disorders, muscle wasting, and heart failure. In children, it causes vomiting, abdominal bloating, loss of appetite, and convulsions. In 1911, Casimir Funk isolated a biologically active substance from rice bran that alleviated the symptoms of beriberi. Because the molecule contained nitrogen, he named it a vitamin. In 1937, R. Williams determined the chemical formula of this compound, coined the term thiamine, and industrial production of the vitamin began. Today, vitamin B1 is also known as thiamine pyrophosphate, thiovitamin, or anurin, though thiamine is the most commonly used term. Forms and availability. Vitamin B1 is available in various medical forms, including thiamine, phosphothiamine, benfotiamine, and cocarboxylase, thiamine diphosphate. It comes in tablet form or as an injectable solution. Physical and chemical properties of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, C12H17N4OS, is a complex compound that dissolves well in water but rapidly degrades when heated. This means that cooking foods containing thiamine can reduce its beneficial properties. The compound resembles salt in appearance, crystalline odorless substance. Dietary sources of vitamin B1. Thiamine is found in the following foods: pine nuts, brown rice, sunflower seeds, pork, pistachios, green peas, peanuts, lentils, oatmeal, buckwheat, millet, animal and poultry offal such as liver, lungs, kidneys, stomach, heart, and brain, whole grain bread, chicken eggs, asparagus, potatoes, cauliflower, and oranges. Other vegetables such as onions, beans, broccoli, carrots, pumpkin, tomatoes, spinach, and Brussels sprouts also contain moderate amounts of thiamine. Daily requirements for vitamin B1. Men need 1.2 to 2.1 milligrams. Elderly individuals require 1.2 to 1.4 milligrams. Women need 1.1 to 1.5 milligrams, with pregnant women needing 0.4 milligrams more, and breastfeeding women needing an additional 0.6 milligrams. Children require 0.3 to 1.5 milligrams depending on their age. Health benefits of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 plays a key role in carbohydrate, protein, and fat metabolism and is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system. It protects cell membranes from oxidative damage, enhances brain function, memory and learning ability, and supports mood regulation. Additionally, it stimulates growth of bones and muscles, normalizes appetite, slows aging processes, reduces the harmful effects of alcohol and tobacco, maintains muscle tone in the digestive tract, relieves motion sickness, and supports heart function. Adverse effects of vitamin B1. Injecting thiamine can occasionally cause allergic reactions such as urticaria, itching, or anaphylactic shock. Absorption of vitamin B1. Thiamine is best absorbed when alcohol, coffee, and heat exposure are minimized. For optimal results, consume foods rich in thiamine fresh and avoid overcooking them. Deficiency symptoms. Vitamin B1 deficiency can result in fatigue, irritability, depression, insomnia, poor memory, loss of appetite, muscle weakness, headaches, poor coordination, shortness of breath, and low blood pressure. Severe deficiency can lead to beriberi, characterized by paralysis, memory loss, heart problems, muscle atrophy, and digestive issues. Toxicity and excess. Excess thiamine is rare because it is water-soluble and naturally excreted through the digestive system. Overdose may occur only from synthetic injections, potentially causing allergic reactions, spasms, or low blood pressure. Interactions with other substances. Vitamin B1 works synergistically with folic acid, B9, and vitamin B12 in methionine synthesis. Magnesium activates thiamine for key biological functions. Substances like salt, black tea, coffee, and tobacco degrade thiamine, as do some antibiotics and medications. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipes and important information about food, vitamins, and more.